Come to question number 4. If a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2, find the value of. See the solution. First part, a square minus b square. Here put a equal to 2. Here put the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2. What will you get? 2 square plus, put the value of b as minus 2. It is minus 2 whole square. 2 square means 4 plus minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4. 4 plus 4, it is 8. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is a square plus ab plus b square. Put a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2. What will you get? Replace a by 2. A will get 2 square plus a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square. Solve this. 2 square means 4. Here 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4 plus minus 2 square, it is minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4. Here 4 minus 4 will be cancelled. What is left? It is 4. Now come to third part. A square minus b square. Here put a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2. What will you get? 2 square minus 2 whole square. Now solve this. 2 square means 4 minus 2 square means 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. This is your answer. Now come to question number 5. When a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1, find the value of given expressions. See the solution. First part, 2a plus 2b. Here put a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1. You will get 2, 0 plus 2 minus 1. Solve this. 2 into 0, it is 0. Minus 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is 2a square plus b square plus 1. Put a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1, What will get? 2. Replace a by 0. You will get 0 square plus b. Replace b by minus 1. It is minus 1 whole square plus 1. Here 0 square is 0. 0 into 2. It is 0. Plus minus 1 square. It is 1. Plus 1. Add it. 1 plus 1. 2. Your answer is 2. Now come to third part. It is 2 a square b plus 2 ab square plus ab. Here put a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1. What will you get? 2 0 square minus 1 plus 2 0 into minus 1 square plus 0 into minus 1. Here 0 square is 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, it is 0. You will get 0 plus 2 into 0, it is 0. Any number multiplied by 0, it is 0. Plus 0 into minus 1, it is 0. You will get 0. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. A square plus ab plus 2. Here put a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1. Put the values. A, that is 0, 0 square plus 0 into minus 1 plus 2. What will you get? 0 square means 0 plus 0 into minus 1, it is 0 plus 2 equal to 2. This is your answer. Come to question number 6. Simplify the expressions and find the value if x is equal to 2. See the solution. First part, x plus 7 plus 4 within the bracket x minus 5. First solve the expression. Open the bracket. You will get x plus 7 plus, here open the bracket, 4 will be multiplied by each term of bracket. 4 into x, it is 4x minus 4 into 5, 20 equal to, collect the like terms, x plus 4x plus 7 minus 20. Solve this. X plus 4x, it is 5x minus 7 minus 20, it is 13. 5x minus 13. Now put the value. Now put x is equal to 2. What will get? 5 into 2 minus 13. Open the bracket. 5 to ja 10 minus 13. 10 minus 13, it is minus 3. And this is your answer. Now come to second part. 3 within the bracket x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Now solve this. Open the bracket. We will get 3x plus 3 to the 6 plus 5x minus 7. Collect the like terms. It is 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 7. 3x plus 5x, it is 8x plus x minus 7, it is minus 1. Now put x is equal to 2. You will get 8, replace x by 2 minus 1. You will get, open the bracket, 8 into 2, 16 minus 1. That is 16 minus 1, it is 15. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is 6x plus 5 within the bracket x minus 2. Open the bracket. You will get 6x plus 5x minus 5 to the 10. Solve it. 6x plus 5x, it is 11x minus 10. Put x is equal to 2. What will you get? 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 into 2, it is 22 minus 10. If you subtract 22 minus 10, you will get 12. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 4, 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Here open the bracket. 4 is multiplied by each term of the bracket. 4 into 2, 8x minus 4 into minus 1, it is minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Here collect the like terms. 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 11. Here 8x plus 3x, it is 11x minus 4 plus 11, it is plus 7. Here put x is equal to 2. What will you get? 11 into 2 plus 7. Here open the bracket, 11 into 2, it is 22 plus 7. 22 plus 7, it is 29. This is your answer.